So this Dennis and Taylor tutorial is gonna show you how to be getting most sounds into your FL Studio because the demo come with wax sounds. Well, first of all, you go to warbeats.com. When you get to Warbeats, you sign in or sign up if you haven't. Okay. Once you sign in, you want to go to Files, Uploads, Downloads. Click on that. And scroll down, and you see all these kits, and they're free and ready for download. There's about 2 pages of them. Okay, when you download it, I already have, so I'm gonna go on to the next step to save time. When you get it, it's probably gonna be in the Winrar format, so download Winrar. Okay. Extract it to my documents. I already have. So it's gonna go to my documents. Make sure it's in there. It's in there. I'm gonna click on it, see if all the sounds are in there. Okay, they are. So I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna drag it over to my browser in FL. I'm just gonna drop it in the browser and all the sounds are. And that's about it.